So here's a quick intro of how you can use your choice menu. So you're going to choose per week 2 internet-based activities or 2 design activities. Or you could pick one of each of those things, one from the design activity category and one from the internet-based activities category. You can also choose one clay activity per week if you brought clay home with you. So remember that the plasticine, that clay that doesn't dry out, that was orange or blue, you're going to try and use that for one of these design activities. It's not really meant to like make a mug out of it because we won't be able to fire it and we definitely won't be able to glaze it, and it definitely isn't food safe. So if you do want clay stuff and you don't have it, let us know and maybe we can get you a doorstop delivery of some clay and clay tools. Over here, if you're interested in doing a design task, I really wanted to just show you a couple examples. So particularly this make a sculpture with natural or household items. So what I'm looking for you to do is look back into our vocabulary and illustrate it using whatever you've got. So my challenge for you this week for this category, if you choose to do that, is do something like a found object color wheel. So you would look at the color wheel and then you would go around your house and try and find things that match those colors. You'd annotate it to maybe give us a couple more vocabulary words, like maybe you're going to label the primary colors or the secondary colors, or somehow give us a little tidbit that shows us you're practicing the vocabulary that we taught you. And then you turn in your photo to Google Classroom as your evidence of learning for this week. So another example on here for your make a sculpture or make an art piece with home objects would be something I did with my daughter. So this weekend we made robots, and first we talked about how to draw robots using shape. So again, using geometric shapes. So there's our element of art that's being used. So the first one was mine. This one is hers. She's 3. And she did a great job. And then you could work with a sibling to make the robot out of junk mail. So we took junk mail. This is a piece of junk mail that I glued it onto. And then these are like cut from magazines or cut from ads or the inside of an envelope. This part was the inside of the envelope. And we remade the robot using what she cut out from the different patterns that we found in junk mail. So whatever you have, use it. If you've got Legos, use them. If you've got salt dough, you want to make Play-Doh, something like that, use it. And then try and show us the vocabulary that we have on here, okay? If you have more questions about specific assignments on here, let me know. Miss Simon or I will get back to you as soon as we can. But that's how you use your distance learning menu.